Meanwhile, Rivers State Governor Minalayi Fubara has signed a 3-year contract with Julius Berger for the construction of the Port Harcourt Ring Road project. Governor Fubara, while speaking during the signing of the Memorandum of Understanding, said the project was awarded to Julius Berger because of the quality construction the company is reputed for. Fubara warned that his administration will not tolerate any delays in the execution of the key project, as he urged the local communities to cooperate with the contractor, warning that youths who attempt to interfere with the execution of the scheme will be put on trial, while traditional rulers found culpable will be removed from office. The governor recalled that the idea of embarking on the Ring Road project has been on the drawing board for a long while, and expressed joy that his administration has finally taken up the responsibility to build it.
Choose your company to embark on this project, not because we like your faces, no, but we want to demonstrate quality. We want to ensure that this project, as we start it, we will complete it. And if we have to do it, we need a reputable company that has the track record of delivering. So we are not doing this because we like you. We're doing it because we want you to still show that level of performance that you have been doing, have been recording in the state. On our part, as a government, we will meet our own obligation. After this event, we're paying you. The total value of the contract is 195.3, and we're paying you 77% of it, which is about 150 plus. And in our agreement, we have agreed with you that once we have confirmed delivery of 75% of the initial fund released, we'll commence your balance, and we are committed to that. This project is transversing about 6 local governments: Okrika, Eleme, Echi, Ikwere, Obiakpo, and Faga. In these LGAs, communities or villages, whatever we call them, that these projects are going to run through, let me make this statement very clearly. The community chiefs, the traditional rulers there, must cooperate with you. Any traditional ruler with his youth that wants to be a problem will immediately be suspended, and any youth caught trying to sabotage our government will be prosecuted. It's important to us that everybody should give us the necessary support. Necessary support, I mean that, because we need this project.
Managing Director of Julius Berger Nigeria PLC, Dr. Lars Richer, noted that the company has been part of the infrastructural transformation of the immediate past administration, and assured that the company will not compromise quality and timeliness in delivering the project because of the sustained confidence in them.
Having been challenged and tested by the government and people of River State with every magnificent project since the inception of the last administration from 2015 till the first quarter of this year, for which Julius Berger Nigeria PLC never failed, it now justifies why we should sign the contract for the construction and dualization of the ring road today. On behalf of the entire management and board of directors of Julius Berger Nigeria PLC, I thank you for your trust and for giving our company the opportunity to deliver on the biggest project with the River State government